What's up, guys? Welcome back to Adventure Zach. Just want to do a quick little update. I did receive my front tire. I wanted to go ahead and do an installation video for you guys. Unfortunately, I was unable to do so. It only took me but 15 minutes to install, literally to remove the old tire and install the new front tire. There's no problem whatsoever. So these things are amazing. Work really well. And as you can see, actually, this is the new tire. Look at the tread on that. Night and day difference. I mean, look at that. This is what I was rocking. This is now what I'm rocking. So you can see that this is a whole different universe as far as this tire goes when it comes to off-roading. Tip for you guys. Maybe some people do it, maybe some people don't. I've seen it numerous times where I've removed somebody's front or rear tire and bone dry. It's not good. It's not supposed to be like that. You do not want these. This bike has wheel bearings. You do not want these to be bone dry. Same thing with the axle. Front axle's back there, but I've seen them numerous times where they're literally just bone dry. I always put a little bit of grease in them. Remove the dust shields. Already did this side. You know, put a little grease in there. Clean the bearing, the surface of the bearing. Make sure you don't have a bunch of dirt or anything. And if you do that, your wheel bearings will actually last longer. Makes you figure if you're riding through water and things of that nature like I do, creek beds and stuff like that, you know, over time, the water is going to start to wash that grease out. It's going to start to wash that away. And if you don't have grease in there, you know, that's designed for this, you're going to start wearing your bearings down a lot faster. So just a simple, stupid little thing, you know, put some grease in there. I always apply some grease onto the shaft itself. I already cleaned this bearing out, made sure everything was cleaned out. It's not all full of sand or dirt or rocks or anything of that nature. And then I just kind of pack it back down underneath the dust shield. You can actually pop that shield up if you want. Don't really need to. You can though, but it's just a good tip just to kind of protect the bearings a little bit, increase the longevity of them. That way you're not replacing wheel bearings every, you know, depending on the amount of riding you do, once a year, depending on if you're riding in and out of water, you're riding in the rain, things of that nature. Kind of like chain maintenance. You don't do chain maintenance whatsoever, but once a year, you're going to be running through chains like crazy. So yeah, just wanted to give a little update on that. Really looking forward to trying this tire out. I just figured I'd add that in there because I've seen plenty of times when I've removed, like I said, front and rear tires off of other people's bikes and noticed that their wheel bearings and their axles were just completely bone dry, like they never put grease back in there. So, yep, but thanks for watching, guys. Peace. See you on the next one. Front tire's on. So, really looking forward to taking that for a spin.